Welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to be trying the TikTok and social media Instagram Cardi B avocado mask. So what you have right now as far as your ingredients go, you want to go ahead and get one large avocado. Believe it or not, this was my first time ever in my life cutting an avocado. I think I did pretty good. But you'll need one large avocado. You'll also need honey, mayo, argan oil, Jamaican black castor oil or just regular castor oil, olive oil, a banana, and I used 2 eggs. What you see me here doing was struggling with that seed, but now I'm just going to go ahead and place the avocado into the blender. We'll get all of the ingredients mixed together. I didn't use any specific amounts. I just kind of eyeballed it just as I would when I cook. So sorry, I don't have the amounts that I did use, but you can see me just kind of eyeballing that. I think that you should do the same. All right, so we're just going to go ahead and get all of these ingredients placed into the blender, mix it all up, and then stay tuned. You'll see me apply it to my hair in sections, and then we'll come back and chat about how my hair feels afterwards. So stay tuned.
For the record.
Just washed out the mask as well as a co-wash that I used just to make sure that I got all of the avocado out. And the only leave-in that I've put on my hair so far is the Inner sprayed leave-in that I normally use. My hair feels really good. I mean, I'll be able to tell for sure once I actually do my wash and go. I feel like my hair seems like it's blonder too. I know that sounds crazy, but yeah, we'll see how it comes after the wash and go. But as far as the mask goes, it was easy to make. I think I probably would use it again. We'll see how manageable it is once my hair is dry from styling. Okay, so I used the Cardi B avocado mask tonight on my hair. I let it sit for about an hour actually. I washed it out, I did my wash and go, and I've stretched my wash and go. And I must say, my curls look really good considering the fact that I have stretched them. So as you can see, my roots are stretched a little bit, but my curls look really nice. And they feel good too. So I think that I will incorporate this into my wash day routine at least once a week or once every 2 weeks. I like this for first day hair with a stretch. First day hair and a stretch normally does not come out looking this good, but I think it looks pretty amazing. What do y'all think? Have you all tried the avocado mask? Comment below and let me know. Yeah, I just wanted to come back and show you all the results. Love the results and definitely will be using it. So make sure that you come back to see the progress and what it does to my hair over the next few months. And I will chat with y'all later. Make sure that you ring the notification bell, like, comment, and subscribe to this video. I'll see you next time.